7 multi-party delegation.
तेज बोलिए।
7 member multi-party Indian delegation to 5 permanent member of Central Council countries except China under the leadership of Shashi Tharoor sir and leadership of Ravishankar Prasad sir of Patna. Shashi Tharoor sir from Kochi constituency and
Tribandram.
Ravishankar Prasad from Patna, capital, world capital, Buddhist world capital of Ashoka, Patliputra. And these delegates, and I am enlightening and enlightening discussion of Shashi Tharoor sir's book with Ashoka University Vice Chancellor in Murti Auditorium. Lately and articulately, Shashi Tharoor sir had brought the Britishers had lived Indian during British time. His research, his work, was just on a Rajni Pankar book, Indian Groundwork. It's true. And articulating. And they are going to all these permanent member countries of the Central Council, except China, to justify the Indian Army Operation Sindoor. Ashoka allies the northwest countries had already justified and lately they told the northwest frontier people that I have not abandoned my army. If you raise your arm against me, my army will stop you dead. This edicts justify northwest frontier Indian National Army operation of Sindoor. That Ashoka's edict. And one member is from Patna, Ravishankar Prasad sir, is there to voice. And Iron Market on reading Ali Buddhism is focusing on the great. I have taught the spirit of Buddhism outside India. So Buddhist India, Buddhist Asia is the justification of all Asian army action. And Indian Army was formed in Japan and Tokyo. Later on, taken by leadership by command of Indian Army by Swati Bose, led the freedom movement and brought freedom to India. And here is also a matter of, as Shashi Tharoor sir's discussion in the book, that the Britishers had built Indian fight. And the British policy of appeasement towards Nazi Germany that led to the rise of Second World War, rise of Hitler, that appeasement policies also be highlighted to the now down British Empire and also America, down America. They are following the policy of appeasement through international refund by giving fund to the Pakistanis or anyone to bring disturbed Asian countries. So, Asia, Buddhist Asia, one, China, India, all are one. And now it is not the Roosevelt Asia's, when Roosevelt had dropped bomb in Asia, Nagasaki, but now Asia is united and going to win. It is 21st century, not 20th century or 18th century, 19th century. It is very century of India, Buddhist Asia. So I wish that this policy of abandonment is stopped by the Americans and globalists. That is my message.